Yeah, we are halfway through the week of self-defense movements in 5 minutes. Remember though, this is not a self-defense class. I'm just getting creative with our movement. Before we begin, I want to ask you a question. How well are you eating recently? Remember to include a lot of fruit and vegetables in your diet, along with a lot of lean meat, or if you're vegetarian or vegan, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, all that stuff. All right, I'm not a nutritionist, so I'm gonna be quiet now and begin a low intensity interval training where we move and defend ourselves for 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. So let's defend ourselves in some minutes. The workout begins in 15 seconds. All right, we're gonna put our knuckles on our cheeks, and when we throw a punch, bring our elbows back and double punch forward, like so. Keeping it nice and simple, and begin. And go. Bring your elbows back, double punch forward. Bring your elbows back, double punch forward. You can also lean forward and bring your bum back to more stability. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. Remembering to breathe, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to begin with our elbows rested like so, 90 degrees. And we're going to throw a double uppercut. So bring our knees down and throw both our hands in the air and bring it back down like so. 3, 2, 1. Double uppercut. Remembering to breathe with every movement. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now, knuckles back on our cheeks. We're going to bring our elbows out and then bring our fists together like we're crushing a watermelon with our fist. Bring it back together. Elbows out, arms out, fist crush. Elbows out, arms out, fist crunch. That's what we're going to be doing. Remembering to breathe, everyone. We're halfway there. Passing the 10-second mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. We're going to do the double straight punch this time, but we're going to do a half squat, then punch the body. Half squat, punch the body, like so. Wipe away any sweat you've got, because I've got a lot of sweat running down my face. In position, half squat down, double punch. Bring it back up. Half squat down, and double punch. Ooh yeah. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Same thing as before. Knuckles on our cheeks, and we're going to punch sideways. Bring it back. Sideways, elbows back in, just like so. Okay, 3, 2, 1, knuckles on, punch sideways. Punch sideways. Like you're trying to push people away. Once you get into a rhythm, you can choose as slow or as fast, or follow my tempo as well as you go. We're halfway there in the final round. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're finished. Great job, everyone. Wipe away any sweat you've got, because I sweat a lot when I work out. Even though low intensity interval training movements are quite simple, they are challenging sometimes as well. Anyway, I'm yammering on now. Hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment behind if you want to add something to say, or if you have something to say. Yep. All right. And you feel like you can do more, check out my other workout videos, or future ones as well. Because I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.